Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the OPPO Enco Air 2 Pro. So let's bring our necessary black scissor and cut the plastic off. It comes in nice grey and white box from OPPO. It says here the wonder and it says OPPO Enco Air 2 Pro. The price quoted here is 4,999, but I got it for 3,499, so definitely look for offers. And surprisingly good packaging from Amazon this time around, and you can see it's nice seal pack. So let's cut the seal off and let's remove the tray. In the tray you get the earphones itself, a nice grey finish. Seems good packaging. Let's keep this side for the time being and let's open the lid. So the lid opens upside down, and inside the lid we have the USB cable, surprisingly no adapter, and you have the ear tips. Also you get some manual. So it comes with some serial number stickers for some weird reasons, but the manual seems to be simple and intuitive. It says the light information and everything, and the pairing seems to be simple, so all you need to do is just press and hold. Removing the plastic from the cover, pretty nice finish, I would say, a nice gray color. Even it has this two-tone finish. So let's pair this up. All you have to do is just go to the Bluetooth settings and open Ear Earbuds, and then it should appear. As you can see, I will just click on connect and it should get connected. Click on pair, and as you can see, it got connected. It even supports AAC, so if your smartphone has AAC, then it's good to go. As you can see, it shows the battery percentage and the AAC symbol. Now there's surprisingly no fast pair like the Realme earbuds or Hello W1, so that I will definitely miss. Google fast pair is really good, but I will use it for a while and will come up with my full review.
So guys, it's almost 11 months since I'm using this OPPO Enco Air 2 Pro, and hands down this is the best TWS under 3,500. Talking about the sound, so the treble is excellent and the bass is very good. I've also used the AirPods, I've used the Bose TWS, and I'm using a Realme TWS since long. Like I have purchased 2 to 3 Realme TWS. So this time around I was also buying the Realme Air 3 Pro, but a lot of guys in the WhatsApp group, in the Tech Show WhatsApp group, recommended me this, and so I thought let's give it a try, and I think that was my best decision. Thank you guys, all the people in the WhatsApp group that recommended me this, because I know like OPPO is not known for earphones, they are probably known for their expensive phones, but I was really shocked on how good of a TWS this is, and it's very much similar to Realme. Like again, Realme parent company is OPPO, so if you see the design, how the app is, I will show you in a bit, it's almost similar to how Realme does. Now I got it for from Amazon for 3,500, and currently it's also priced at 3,500. Now there is an Air 3 version available, which has some features better. We will talk in a while, but let's discuss about this first. So I got the gray color actually sent to this cover. This cover is also just 250 rupees. It's nice silicone cover. I will leave all the links in the description below so you can purchase. Now talking about, this has a 12.4mm diaphragm diverge. Now it's not the loudest earphones. Like of course I use it almost 80 to 90% volume. So this gives you an idea that this is not the loudest TWS. I think Boat has one which is louder, but again it just distorts. So they have kept the distortion to almost none, I would say. So the sound volume is not that. So I use it for 80 to 90% volume. It has active noise cancellation, but I'm not a big fan of that. Like you still can hear a lot of things from outside. It reduces by 50 to 60% external noise. If the noise is very thin, you won't be able to hear it inside it, but if it's very loud, 60% it will reduce. It's good enough. A lot of people like it. I don't like it. I keep the transparency mode on. Just gives me a safe feeling. It has dual AI noise cancellation for calls. So I'm not sure how AI works here. Like, uh, I'm not sure that it can on device um, like reduce the noise, or it's just inside the app where it filters the noise inside it to the phone call. But nonetheless, the call quality is really good. I have no problem taking calls on this, attending meetings and stuff. IP54 dust and water resistance. Like, guys, what do you need more in this earphone? Like, it has water resistance, it has active noise cancellation, it has in-ear detection as well. So if you remove one earbud from your ear, it will just pause the music. It has touch controls. Talking about the battery life, it's incredible, guys. So if I'm using 1 hour daily, I charge it once a month. If I'm using 2 to 3 hours daily, I charge it every 2 weeks. So basically, they claim that individual earbuds last 7 hours, which is almost a working day for you guys. It's amazing. Now again, the battery life won't be similar year on year. It will drop for sure. I haven't noticed any drop as of now in 11 months, and hope that the drop is very minute and it's negligible basically. The case can last 28 hours. So if you just do the math, like if it's 28 divided by 7, so basically 4 times this charging case could charge the earphones, and each earphones could last 7 hours. So as I said, if I'm using 1 hour daily, so with one time of charge, it will give me almost a week of battery life. So 4 times is basically almost a month. So I charge it once a month. If I'm using 2 to 3 hours daily, I need to charge it every 2 weeks. Incredible battery life. I'm not using any wired earphones as of now. I use it with my iPhone 15. I've used it with the iPhone 10. Again, the compatibility is very good. Now it also has a Hey Melody app, which is also available on the Android and the Apple App Store. I will just show you. You can just connect, and you can actually control the noise control. Like, I have set it to off, as you can see. Or usually I will keep it in transparency. Okay, it says please wear your earbuds, so we need to wear this one. But as you can see, so it has in-ear detection as well, which is amazing. Now it has some sort of filters. So original sound, you have bass, boost, you have clear vocals. I will keep it default. It's really good. If you want to enhance the bass, you can do that, but again, it just emphasizes more of a bass, and I don't like that fake filters and stuff, like the original audio quality. It has game modes, and it has a firmware updates. Right now it's updated, nothing much, but at least you have the controls on the app. It's very similar to the Realme Link app. Again, it's the same company, as I said. Now I have actually used it with the Apple Music, and guys, I'm a big fan of the lossless audio now. I mean, these earphones combined with lossless audio, like it's not necessary that you use Apple Music, you can use Ghana Pro as well. It also has lossless audio. I'm not sure how, if I compare both, but again, with Apple Music lossless audio, man, the audio quality is unmatchable. Like, the bass just gets so good. With this one, and currently I'm using YouTube Music. I mean, I was in 3-month trial with Apple Music, but currently I'm using the YouTube Music, which comes free with the YouTube Premium. So I'm using that. The sound quality is really good, but I think there's unmatched with Apple Music. I would definitely look forward to upgrade it over time. But yeah, guys, I'm a big fan of this earphone. I highly recommended it. Now there's the newer version of this as well. We will just search for, say, Enco Air 3 Pro, or that's the latest one, I guess. And you can see it's 4,500. Now it basically has this branding, which I don't like. Like, this is minimal. There's no branding all around the earphone, which I like. So if you don't want any OPPO branding, this is the way to go. Again, you can save 1,000 rupees. If you want, if you're fine with OPPO branding, and it's almost similar, it's just that it has better noise cancellation, and it also has the fast charging capability with Type-C. This doesn't have any fast charge, and they say the driver is also better, say Golden Sound 2.0. Of course, there will be a better version of this one. If you're okay with 4,500, definitely go with the latest one, I would prefer. But if you want like no branding one, this is no brainer. That's pretty much for this video. Hope you liked it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Tech Show if you haven't already. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.